16 ambiguities involving only. Having discussed the basic only statement forms, we now move to examples involving more than two predicates. As it turns out, adding a third predicate can complicate matters. Consider the following example. E1 only poisonous snakes are dangerous. Let us assume that poisonous combines conjunctively, so that a poisonous snake is simply a snake that is poisonous, even though a poisonous snake is quite different from a poisonous mushroom. A mushroom's bite is not very deadly. Granting this simplifying assumption, we have the following paraphrase. X is a poisonous snake. X is poisonous and X is a snake. Now, if we follow the pattern of paraphrase suggested in the previous section, we obtain the following paraphrase. P1 No non-poisonous snakes are dangerous. No non-poisonous snake is dangerous. Unfortunately, the scope of non is ambiguous. For the sentence when X is a non-poisonous snake has two different readings, and hence two different symbolizations. R1 X is a non-poisonous snake. R2 X is a non-poisonous snake. X is not a poisonous snake. S1 PX and SX. S2 PX and SX. On one reading, to be a non-poisonous snake is to be a snake that is not poisonous. On the other reading, to be a non-poisonous snake is simply to be anything but a poisonous snake. Our original sentence, and its paraphrase, only poisonous snakes are dangerous. No non-poisonous snakes are dangerous, are correspondingly ambiguous between the following readings. XPX and SX and DX. There is no thing X such that X is not a poisonous snake, but X is dangerous. XPX and SX and DX. There is no thing X such that X is a non-poisonous snake, but X is dangerous. To see that the original sentence really is ambiguous, consider the following four very short paragraphs. 1. Few snakes are dangerous. In fact, only poisonous snakes are dangerous. 2. Few reptiles are dangerous. In fact, only poisonous snakes are dangerous. 3. Few animals are dangerous. In fact, only poisonous snakes are dangerous. 4. Few things are dangerous. In fact, only poisonous snakes are dangerous. In each paragraph, when we get to the second sentence, it is clear what the topic is: snakes, reptiles, animals, or things in general. What the topic is helps to determine the meaning of the second sentence. For example, in the first paragraph, by the time we get to the second sentence, it is clear that we are talking exclusively about snakes, and not things in general. In particular, the sentence does not say whether there are any dangerous tigers, or dangerous mushrooms. By contrast, in the fourth paragraph, the first sentence makes it clear that we are talking about things in general, so the second sentence is intended to exclude from the class of dangerous things anything that is not a poisonous snake. An alternative method of clarifying the topic of the sentence is to rewrite the four sentences as follows. 1. Only poisonous snakes are dangerous snakes. 2. Only poisonous snakes are dangerous reptiles. 3. Only poisonous snakes are dangerous animals. 4. Only poisonous snakes are dangerous things. These may be straightforwardly paraphrased and symbolized as follows. 0. Only A R B. No non-A is BXX and BX1. Only PS are DS. No non-PS is DS. XPX and SX and DX and SX2. Only PS are drive. No non-PS is drive. XPX and SX and DX and RX3. Only PS are DA. No non-PS is DA. XPX and SX and DX and X4. Only PS are D. No non-PS is DXPX and SX and DX. If we prefer to use the every paraphrase of only, then the paraphrase and symbolization goes as follows. 0. Only A R B. Every non-A is non-BX. XBX1. Only PS are DS. Every non-PS is non-DS. XPX and SXDX and SX2. Only PS are drive. Every non-PS is non-drive. XPX and SXDX and RX3. Only PS are DA. Every non-PS is non-DA. XPX and SXDX and X4. Only PS are D. Every non-PS is non-DXPX and SXDX.